Hello and welcome to another cool smartphone video. Today we're going to have a look at the Kitvision Observer 1080p Dashcam. This is it here. So if you want to carry on watching, we'll just have a little run through the menu. Cheers. So this is recording the Kitvision Observer 1080p's various menu modes. So we can see here that we've got it recording at 1080 FHD. The sound is not recording at the moment and there's no memory card in the device. You can see it's also trying to get a GPS fix at the moment as well. On the other side, we can see we're in video mode and we've got it set for a 3-minute loop. There's no speed readout as we're not actually moving because we're not in the car at the moment, and the exposure level is set to 0. Down the bottom here you can see the date and the clock. I'll come back to the clock because that has been a slight area of concern. Going into the menu, you can see you've got resolution, loop recording, WDR and G sensor. And you can navigate through these by using these buttons at the bottom here. So if we go down, you can also see you can change the exposure, the motion detection, turn audio recording on or off, turn date stamp on or off, and that's all for that menu. If we then double press the menu key, we've got Wi-Fi on off, date time set, auto power on off. You can turn a ketone on or off. Park guard. Now park guard will allow you to record footage while you are parked. What language you want it to be, what AV out option, screensaver, the frequency at which I believe it records, the frequency for GPS, that is, GPS switch, so turning GPS on or off, the GPS speed mode that allows you to measure in miles per hour, kilometers per hour, and the ability to format a memory card. Lastly, you've got your default settings and your software version. If I long press the menu key this time, it changes to the camera mode. Now you can see here that I have 5 megapixel camera set up. Again, I've got 0 for exposure, auto white balance, and the ISO I believe is also an auto. Press the menu. I can again change all of these by scrolling up and down. So I can change the resolution. That's now. And I can select these by pressing the OK button. So if I go to OK, I can change that up to a 12 meg resolution. I can set if I want sequence shots. And I can also set compression, sharpness, white balance, color, ISO, exposure, anti-shaking, and date stamp. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't really use this function very much. The next one is to give you the ability to use playback. Now, if you wanted to play back footage on the device, you could do so. Again, not something I really did. The reason it's showing no footage is I've taken the SD card out. And it also gives you the ability to delete individual ones, protect individual ones, and also do a slideshow. I'm sorry, I don't know what's going on with the focus of my camera today. It's being a little bit weird. Sorry about that. So that is a very, very brief overview of the user interface of the Kitvision Observer 1080p Dashcam. I have recorded some footage which I will upload into the article, and that will appear on coolsmartphone.com and also here on the Cool Smartphone YouTube channel. Thanks very much for watching, and if you want to read the full review, then check us out on the site. Cheers. Bye.